Hello everyone, I am Janvi. I am a corporate soft skills trainer. Welcome to this video series of Reclaim Your Power project. Many a times we say that we feel hurt or angry because somebody said or did this to us. We feel upset because of the situation that we are in. We feel justified to feel that way and think that anybody in our position would have felt bad. Hence, we hold on to the grudge, store it in our mind for hours, days, even months together. However, please note that this is exactly when we are giving away our power. This means that the person or the situation is so powerful that it has the ability to distort our inner peace and stability, and we are weak in front of it. So, what is power? Power, in its true sense, is when, irrespective of the circumstances around us, we are able to maintain our stability. So, the first question is it possible? Let's take this example. All of us are currently dealing with this COVID situation. Are all of us dealing with it in the same manner? No, right? Some people are scared, some are very stressed, anxious, while there are others who are busy involving themselves in some productive activities, hobbies, and are happy. Now, had the situation caused the anxiety, everybody would have responded to it in the same manner, correct? So, the first step is to realize that it is not the situation or the person, but our decision to respond to a situation in a particular way repeatedly, which has created this pattern in our mind. And now it has become automatic and natural for us to behave in that way in face of a similar situation. So now what can we do about it? We can simply reverse it by first becoming aware and then changing our response. When the pattern of this new behavior becomes stronger, automatically we will stop responding in the earlier way and the new pattern will become natural for us. So now, even in this lockdown like situation, if we decide that okay, we will not focus much on the negative news or talk anything negative and focus on the things that are good for us, automatically our thinking pattern will slowly start changing. And yes, breathing exercises, meditation, all this will be very useful tools for changing the behavior patterns. Mind you, there will never be an ideal time when things or people will be completely as per our liking. And if we keep on postponing our happiness till the time they become perfect, then we may really not be able to be happy anytime. Hence, the first step is realizing that we are in charge of our state of mind and reclaiming our power. Keep watching this series on the various ways by which we can claim our power back. If you like my video, do click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you.